In this video, I'm going to show you guys why this season is actually the best time to invest in the crypto market. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So right here, I actually have a chart here. I actually have a table indicating kung how much was the price of Bitcoin and different crypto for the past year during the previous New Year's Eve versus today's New Year's Eve. And as you can see, from 2020 to 2021, actually you would notice now if you just hold Bitcoin, if you bought Bitcoin in spot wallet alone, you would have at least 62% in profits with Bitcoin. Same goes with Ethereum. If you just bought Ethereum for the previous year, let's say around the previous New Year's Eve around 2020, you can see na you would have earned 397% in profits. Ayan o, makikita nyo dyan guys. Same goes for BNB. Kay BNB naman, 1,200%. Solana, 1,000. Actually, 11,000%. Kay Solana, napakalaki pa nga. Same goes with other coins, Polkadot, Matic, XRP, Chainlink, and Dogecoin. But as you can see, guys, if you're just going to hold a crypto asset alone, and let's say you just wanted to invest for the long term, you can see na you are going to be a winner still in the long run. And that also checks out. Kasi if you're going to look at our historical Bitcoin data, if you're going to look this trend, this 10 years trend, so actually 11 years trend na nga siya, you would actually still see na the Bitcoin market, the Bitcoin price has been steadily increasing for the past 10 years. And then kahit let's say mag-hold ka during a bear market, despite na mag-hold ka during a bear market, or kahit even on a bull market, as long as that you are investing it for the long term, you can see na you are still going to be in profits pa din. Kasi let's say, tingnan nyo to guys. If let's say bumili ka ng Bitcoin during the previous bull market tapos abutan ka ng bear market, and then let's say bumili ka around the 12,000 US dollars, and then diba nag-bear market, you would actually see na kahit i-hold mo lang siya, you would see na right now, if you have hold your Bitcoin from the previous bear market, you are still actually up 310% in profit. So regardless, as long as you are in it for the long run, you would actually see na the crypto market is actually a very good market wherein you can hold your coins and then just invest for the long term. So if let's say you have a very low risk appetite, then of course the crypto market can be actually a good thing to invest for the long term. And yeah, we actually have a historical data. It's just a matter of understanding which crypto should you be investing. So if let's say you want to invest for the long term, I think the best thing that you can do is actually by going into CoinMarketCap. And then of course, the best thing that you can invest for the long term is of course the top 10 market cap coins, which is yung mga large cap such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, and then of course yung mga iba't ibang large cap coins na pwede mo tingnan such as Solana, Cardano, XRP. But here's the catch din dyan guys, kasi some of them can be dethroned along the way. But one thing's for sure is yung top 3 coins dito sa ating crypto market cap, sila yung more likely na mag-hold throughout the time kasi meron na sila historical data, same with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. So I think if you're going to invest for the long term, the best coins to invest is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. And yun yung aking personal take guys. So nasa inyo pa din naman kung ano yung preferred nyong coins and ano ba yung preferred nyo na investment strategy when it comes for the long term. Pero ang kagandahan dito guys is meron na tayong historical data for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and BNB. And as you can see, if you are just going to buy Bitcoin alone for 1 year, you could actually see na ito guys. So if you're going to look at this January 4, you are still actually up around, let's tingnan natin kung ilang percent yung makuha nyo. If you're going to buy Bitcoin and then just hold it, you can actually see na you are up 63%. And then let's say you have bought it from the previous bear market. And then yun nga, sa previous bear market, bumili ka ng previous bear market, kahit bumagsak yung market, you can actually still see na you are up at least yun nga, 300%. Pinakita ko kanina sa inyo. So right now, I think it's still one of the best time to enter kasi yun nga, if you're going to look at other Bitcoin chart din na meron tayo such as the logarithmic growth curve, you can still see na we are still at the halfway point of the crypto market. So right now, I think we are still early pa din. So I think we are still at the best time to invest pa. So if naghanap kayo ng sign na if you should be investing right now in crypto, hopefully this could be the message na inyo inaabangan. So take note, someday the models can be wrong, but at least it can give us an idea on what can expect for the coming days to come, especially for the coming months. especially now we have a historical Bitcoin data in our hands, and we are going to leverage those data in ways that we can make money out of it. So that is for the Bitcoin data for the long term. Now let's talk about the very short term. So for the very short term, as you can see, the Bitcoin price is now actually forming a rising wedge, and traditionally a rising wedge is a bearish pattern to the downside. So let's see if this continues pa. But right now we can still play this one out. So if you're going to look at this for the very short term, you can still see na this could be a possible rising wedge or a possible rising channel. But nonetheless, this is how we are going to play this. So of course we can swing trade this itong position na yan by buying the support and then selling at the resistance. But the moment na ma-break natin tong support, then our target would more likely be the bottom of the wedge or the bottom of the channel, which is around this area. So if we break to the downside, then of course 45.8k would be our target. But if this breaks bullish, then we are just going to target by getting the height of this, yun nga, itong wedge, then lagay natin sa possible point of breakout. Then in that case, we might still see a movement up until the 47.2k. And yeah, I think another thing to note din dito, guys, if you're going to look at this in the daily time frame, you can still see na we are still forming that double bottom pattern. But the question is, are we going to see a relief rally in order for us to finally form this double bottom? Kasi as you can see, clear na clear yung double bottom dito. It's just a matter of time on when we are going to see that movement. And of course, you can see na meron din tayong bullish divergence forming. So there are a lot of bullish indicators right now for the Bitcoin market as well as the whole crypto market. It's just a matter of time lang talaga, which we have been saying for the past month, since December na, lagi natin sinasabi na it's just a matter of time on when we are going to see that bullish movement. So as of now, I think ang pwedeng gawin ngayon natin is talaga maging patient lang talaga. Pero if you want to swing trade the very short-term movement, I think you can swing trade this itong ascending channel or itong rising wedge, which you can actually maximize in the very short term. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, the best place to trade this is actually in BingX, kasi dito mas mura nating Bitcoin trading fees. And if you want to stake or hold your Bitcoin for the long term, the best place to do that is actually in crypto.com, kasi dito, if you're going to stake your coins in crypto.com, you can actually earn up to 14.5 interest per annum if you're going to stake your coins, and then 14% on stable coins. And then guys, if you want to claim up to $50 bonus kay crypto.com, just use my sign-up code na you can find the description down below. Taking a look with the Ethereum price action, you can see na meron din tayong rising wedge forming. So I think the whole crypto market would be right now following what the Bitcoin price is doing. So right now, if I were you, I would be monitoring the Bitcoin price for the very short term muna before entering into any altcoins. So ayun muna update natin for today, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video, and bye-bye for now.